What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be explaining how much my 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye cost, and also what are my monthly payments. Also, I'm gonna tell you guys how much I put down, even though it's none of y'all business, but I'm gonna let y'all, I'm gonna let y'all in, on how much I put down. It might be surprising to some of y'all. It might not be some of y'all who are realistic and stuff like that, but if this is your first time watching, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions at the end of this video, that anything I didn't touch on or forgot on, or you're still wondering about, just go ahead and comment below. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first things first, you feel me? I'm a young dude. I'm in my younger 20s. I'm not gonna tell you my age, whatever, but I'm in my younger 20s. Full-time Army, if you're wondering what I do to get the car. Also do YouTube on the side. And if y'all watch them ads, you feel me, I can get a Lambo. But yeah, so that's what I do, that's my hustle, whatever. So first things first, I'm gonna show you guys the paperwork of the car. So I'm not lying. I don't know why I would lie, but so I'm not lying, feel me? I'm gonna give you a rundown of all the options that I got with the car. I didn't go too crazy with this build, but I just made it, mine pretty much. And for the 2021s, I don't know about the 2020s, but half of the stuff that's in here that, in regular scats, like back in the day, like you had to pay for, it's now free. Like blind spot monitoring, I believe, is free. Like colored seats are free now. Apple CarPlay, I don't know if they ever cost anything, but little stuff like that are now free. I don't know if you guys knew that, but now you know. So let's go over this paperwork right fast, and you can see the full breakdown of everything. I have it right here. Bear with me, like I said, or I'm gonna say in a future video, because I ripped this boy up. Like, it was not coming off the window, bro. I don't know why, but it's still enough to see, you feel me? And I don't know if you guys can see it. It was built by me, Justin Williams. That's me right there. So let's check it out, guys. All right, y'all, bear with me, because this boy ripped when I was taking it off, because it was super sticky. But so this is the full list, you feel me? But yeah, so this is the full list. So 2021, I know it's ripped up, but that's what it said. 2021 Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye wide body. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read something. But yeah, so the base price of these are $70, but it came up to $88, and then that was the destination charge. So it's really probably like $87 without the destination charge. But yeah, go ahead, take a look at this. All right, guys, so as you can see, after it's all said and done, the price of the car was 88 grand. Did I pay 88 grand for the car?
Come on, hell no, to the no, yeah, to the no.
Of course not. I got military discounts. My father works for Chrysler, so I got an employee discount. I got a lot of discounts and stuff like that. Not like a lot, because I missed out on the power days, which is $6,000. I missed out on the performance dollars, or I think that's what it's called, where it was like $797, so like $7,970 I would have got off. I missed out on all that, so I kind of messed myself up with that, but you feel me, it all worked out. I ain't really tripping over it no more. It is what it is, you feel me? So what I actually paid for the car is, I got the paperwork somewhere, but just off the top of my head, it was $67,000 after I put what I put down. What the price was after all my rebates and discounts and stuff like that, it was like $76,000. So that brought down $12,000 or something like that. Well, my rebates, and then I put another drum roll please. 15 grand down. So I put 15 grand down on this car.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Why did I put 15 grand down on a car? Because it's my dream car, and I'm using this as a business, and I'm trying to invest in myself, and I really want the car. You know, if you're a car guy, I'm not gonna say no price matters, but you know, you do a little bit foolish things, you know, with your money when you're passionate about something. Some of you guys can relate to that, some of you guys can't. I understand, I get that. Some people are in their houses and boats and planes, and that's not me. I'm a car dude, you feel me? So I'm gonna invest my money in cars if I can. So yeah, I put 15 grand down. That brought the finance price down to like 60 something. I don't know, y'all do the math, man. I forgot what I said, but yeah, y'all do the math on that. So it's like 60, let's just say 65. So about 65, and my monthly payments are $900. You know, simple. Like, I'm gonna just say 900. It's like 90 something, but let's just go with $900 a month. That's what I'm paying for my 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. Is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. In your opinion, who knows? If you like the car, if you're passionate about cars, then yeah. If not, it's probably gonna be a hell no.
No.
Like, I ain't paying $900 for the car. But you know, I'm gonna just keep this video short, to the point and all that good stuff. Next video is gonna be how much was my insurance. It might be surprising to some of you guys, me living in Detroit. I'll tell you how I went around that. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. I'm probably gonna do a POV drop at the end of this video if you want to just keep watching. If this is your first video and you like this, or you have any questions, leave a comment below. But do me a favor, watch an ad if you want to, but do me a favor and subscribe for me. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'm out this thing. It's your boy j.koolii. Enjoy the POV video at the end of this. I'm out this thing. Peace. Alright, y'all. I'll let y'all get a couple pulls. If I can get some space. Give me a second to get some space, y'all. I'm gonna do a 60 roll.